Hello everybody, welcome to Advanced Physics by Auto Video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question in the chapter kinematics. The question is, if vector f is equal to 2i plus j minus k and vector r is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 2k, then the scalar and vector products of these two vectors f and r have the magnitudes respectively. Option 1 5 comma root 3, option 2 4 comma root 5, 3 10 comma root 2, and option 4 10 comma 2. So this question has been asked in the NEET examinations in the year 2022. How to solve the problem, sir? It's very simple. So you are given two vectors and you are going to find the scalar product, also called the dot product, and also the vector product. Particularly the magnitude of vector product, not the direction. Okay? So how will you find the scalar product? F dot r is equal to f r cos theta. That means what? You have to find the dot product of the two vectors. When you find the dot product, you are finding only I dot I, j dot j, k dot k values. No need to find I dot j or j dot k, etc. etc. Why? Because they will be only 0. I dot j is equal to 0. Why it is 0? I is along the x direction, y is along the y direction. So angle between them is theta is equal to 90 degree. The cos 90 is equal to 0. So only I dot, you have to find only I dot I, j dot j, k dot k. So f dot r is equal to I dot I 2 into 3, j dot j 1 into 2, k dot k minus 1 into minus 2. So 2 into 3 6, 1 into 2 plus 2 plus minus 1 into minus 2, minus or minus plus 1 into 2, 2. So 6 plus 2 plus 2 is 10. So the magnitude of the scalar product, magnitude of the scalar product of the two vectors f and r, that is f dot r is equal to 10. So of the four options, you are closing the answer. So your answer will be from 3 or 4. Okay, that's not from 1 and 2. Okay, now let us find the vector product. How will you find the vector product? I, j, k for f 2 I, j minus k. So 2, 1 minus 2. For vector r, 3i plus 2j minus 2k. So 3, 2 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 2. Then how will you find the vector product? I into j into k minus k into j. Then minus j into I into k minus k into I. Then plus k into I into j minus j. That is no way. So vector product of vectors r is equal to I into I into. What about this one? 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus of 1 into minus 2 once again minus 2. So I into 2 minus 2 it will minus 2 minus minus 2 it will give only 0. Okay, let it be. So minus j into minus j. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 into 3 minus 2. Okay. Then plus k into k. 2 into 2 4. 2 into 2 4 minus 1 into 3. Okay, that's it. So I into minus 2 plus 2 will be equal to 0. That will be minus j into minus 4 minus of minus 3 about plus 3. So minus 4 plus 3 into j plus k into 4 minus 3. So now this is I into 0, 0 I. Plus what about j? Minus 4 plus 3 upon minus 1. You are having one more minus here. So minus of minus plus j. So plus 1j or simply plus j. Then the fourth one. K factor. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So 1 into 3. So now you have 0i plus 1j plus 1k, which has been reduced to j plus k. So the vector product of f cross r for these two vectors will only be j plus k. Then what is its magnitude? Square root of 1 square plus 1 square. So that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2. That is square root of 2. So the magnitude of the cross product of f and r, f cross r is equal to square root 2. The magnitude of the dot product, scalar product of the two vectors f and r is f dot r is equal to 10. So the scalar and vector products of f, capital F and r have the magnitude 10 comma root 2. 10 comma root 2. Option 3, answer 3 is the right answer. Okay, so this is just simply a vector products. That's all. So an easy question that has been asked in the NEET examination. So we will see one more question in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all.